Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Juli Rahmania, and in this video, I will explain about the community language learning. The community language learning is a learner-centered teaching method that focuses on group interest learning, developing both of language skill and social and emotional skill. The CLL aims to make language learning more collaborative and enjoyable experience, promoting both language skill and personal growth. The principle of community language learning is, first, learner-centered. The student choose what they want to learn based on their interest. Second, group work. The learning happens in the small group, so the student can support each other. Third is teaching as guide. Teacher help and guide rather than just lecturing. 4. Use the language. The student speak in the target language as much as possible with help from teacher. 5. Reflect on learning. The student thinks about what they learning and how they feel about it. 6. Safe environment. The classroom should feel safe and friendly so the student are not afraid to speak up. 7. Learning in context. Language is learning through a real-life situation and the culture. And the last is mixed skill. So, in the community language learning, both listening, speaking, reading, and writing are all practiced together. Community language learning also includes the several techniques. The first technique of CCL is recording conversation. The student engage in a conversation in the target language which are recorded. This allows them to listen back and analyze their speech, pronunciation, and grammar. Second, transcription. After the conversation, the student transcribe what they said, and these help them see the language structure and the vocabulary use. Next is translation. The student can translate their conversation into their native language, reinforcing understanding and vocabulary. Next is circle on support. Learners sit in the circle, fostering a sense of community. They take turns speaking, supporting each other, and sharing ideas. 5 is peer teaching. The learners help each other with language concept and correction, promoting, collaborating, and deeper understanding. 6 is role plays. The student engage in role-playing exercise that mimicking real-life situation, allowing them to practice language in context. 7. Group project. Working in group project encourage teamwork and allow students to use the language creativity. And the last one is feedback session. A regular feedback session helps a student reflect on their project progress and set the goals for their learning. The benefit of community language learning. First is the student can get better communication. The student practice speaking and listening in the real conversation. Second is teamwork. The student work together in group learning for each other. And the student can get the more confident. A supportive environment helps the student feel safe to speak without fear of mistake. And the last is understanding. The focus on using language meaningfully, not just memorizing the word.